this picture, I'm showing you a 90-degree angle that appears on the side of a cubby. Each cubby that we have in our classrooms is a 90 degree with a right angle. If you were to turn it to where you would see it and make an L with this picture, you would see 90 degrees, making it a right angle. From this recycling bin, if you took this angle and placed it down, it would be an obtuse angle, not a right angle, because if you were to turn it just like to make it an L, it would be over 90 degrees. So this triangle is called an obtuse angle. This heart is an acute angle because if you were to fill in the space in the hole, and like I did in green, get it to, since it's not all the way to where the green is, it has to be an acute angle. It would be under 90 degrees since it doesn't make a full L. That's how you could start to make it an acute triangle, obtuse triangle, or right triangle. It could still be an angle if you wanted to. This handrail that we have at our school for our safety when you go down the stairs is almost 180 degrees. It's not a perfect straight line, so it makes it still an obtuse because it's still over 90 degrees, but it's also closer to something called a line. A line would be 180 degrees. This angle, I would say, would be about 165 degrees. Still considered an angle, an obtuse angle. It's still close to the line, which gets it to 180. If it did a full loop around, it could become a circle, which is a 360-degree thing. This globe is measured 360 degrees because it's 2 times a line, which is 180 degrees. This cube with all the sides and right angles added together would be which would be measuring 90 degrees each. If we were to add that up, that would be a higher total in the thousands, maybe even higher. But right now, all we know is that there's 24 right angles on this cube. From our perspective, there would have been only 12. But since there's 6 sides and we're only counting 3, 12 plus 12 is 24. This cylinder has 3 sides. The top is a circle, the bottom is a circle, and mostly the body is a circle. It's a giant 3D shaped circle. In this rectangular prism, each corner is a 90-degree angle. Since there are 5 sides on this rectangular prism, there would be 360 degrees on each side. So we would have to do 360 times 5. These 2 lines are parallel since they're both straight. They're both in a straight line and they both never come in contact with each other. These perpendicular lines make a 90-degree angle. Since they make an L, they make 90 degrees, which is shown below in the picture.